At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northampton, or near Allentown, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Northampton, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Slatington, Pen Argyll, Wind Gap, Bath, Walnutport, Belfast, Chatham, East Bangor, Stewbay, Ness, Coffeetown, New Tripoli, and Christcheville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 56 and 74, and between mile markers 76 and 78. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 53 and 61. The National Weather Service.
Hi, Philly.